This timeless moment is brought to you by Coors Banquet. This is a great one. On this date in 1941, Ted Williams finished the season going 6 for 8 in a doubleheader against the Philadelphia Athletics. He ended up hitting .406, but finished second in the MVP voting, losing to Joe DiMaggio. Benintendi will take a strike. Of course, the story behind that is they gave Ted the option of sitting out the doubleheader because rounded up he was going to hit 400. And he said, I don't think so. And he went out, went 6 for 8, but he had walked the streets the entire night for hours the night before, thinking about it over and over. Should I sit it out? Should I not? And he came to the conclusion, nope, I'm not going to back into it. That's how he felt about it.